everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I know it's been a while since I shot a video, but today I'm so excited to show you guys how I made curry chicken in my Food Ninja. I use a food pressure or the pressure cooker setting, so I'm so excited to show you. Let's get into it.
So we start off by pan searing the chicken. Make sure that the skillet is very hot. These are the ingredients I use to season the chicken. And as you can see, I'm adding the chicken in slowly. I'm making sure, as always, to make sure that there's space between the meat so that they can cook evenly. This is what it looks like when I've added everything to the pan, and I'm just gonna let it sear on each side. I ended up having to change pans because this pan just sears the chicken better. So as you can see, the chicken is seared. Then I transfer it to the Food Ninja, and that's the chicken seared. I added a little bit more seasoning, the Grace cocked chicken seasoning. That has a lot of salt, so it adds a lot more flavor to it. I'm adding the diced onions and peppers, and this is the potatoes that were boiling on the stove the whole time. I add that water to kind of create a little bit of broth, I guess. We call it gravy, but the way it came out, it was not thick like gravy, so I'm just gonna call it broth, I guess. And now I'm just mixing everything together to make sure that the chicken all the seasonings are covering everything. I also added a little bit more of the Spur tree curry seasoning. It's liquidy, so you can't really tell. So that's why I'm taking the time to like mix everything up. So this is what it looks like when I've incorporated everything. And now I'm going to turn the pressure cooker on. I lock it in, and then I start it up. And I cook it on high for 17 minutes. And I make sure the vent is sealed. And we just let it cook. And this is what it looks like. You see, like, it's really not that thick. But anyways, I made it work. And this is how I plated it. I had it with some white rice and some cabbage.
You guys made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I don't have anything to add in the comments for this video. I'm just glad that you guys watched to the end. I know it's been a while since I recorded. Actually, matter of fact, I want to hear what you guys have cooked in your air fryer. If you have a Food Ninja or any type of air fryer, let me know what you guys have cooked in your air fryer. And also let me know what it is you guys want to see me cook for my next video, because I'm running out of ideas. So go ahead and comment down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys next time. Bye.